I'm going to talk about the issues of the current polymers for 3D printing, how I can solve those problems. You hear a lot of times, I've seen in the literature, people talking about PCL is a great polymer, but the absorption is over to 2-3 years, cannot use it for a lot of applications. But we have established formulation, make a PCL rapid from 2 to 3 years to 9 to 12 months without changing physical properties of the polymer itself. Similarly, polylactide. Polylactide, very brittle fiber, especially monofilament stuff. We have the technology to make elastomeric polylactide polymers for 3D printing. Also, PDS polymer is recently introduced last couple of years. We have the technology, make a very soft polymer, PDS polymer elastomeric, also PDS rapid without changing any properties of the physical properties of the PDS itself, just change the only absorption profile. So you can use it for varieties of applications.